In a tiny home where the soft lights glow lives Eddie the cat, the star of the show.
Eddie, I know you're there. I can see your ears. Eddie's been there for ages, just trying to hide or something. Eddie, I saw you already. Did you take my blue booty band over there? What's it doing over there, Eddie? Yeah, I see you listening to me. I can see your ears, Eddie. You heard me, fatty. You've been playing with my stuff. You have, haven't you? Oh no, you're so cheeky. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. I'm Anne. Eddie's my cat. He's sitting by the window looking out his peephole. Today is a very exciting day, guys. We have Leighton, the shower screen guy, coming to install the new shower screens. I just remembered, he said he was going to send me pictures of what it's going to look like, and I never received them. Maybe he sent it to the builders and they didn't realize to pass it on to me, but he's probably installed hundreds of them and seen what looks good, so I trust him. So it's going to be a bit of a reveal for me today, which is really, really exciting. This morning, before he gets here though, I want to quickly take down the curtain, like the shower curtain rail and the curtains, just so he doesn't get in his way. He's going to be here anywhere between 5 and 35 minutes, so better get my butt moving, right? Once the shower screens go up, I'm kind of wondering how long I have to wait before I can shower. I hope I can shower in it today, but I'm not sure. I may need to bucket shower tonight, guys. It's gonna bring back some old memories. And then I'm gonna celebrate this afternoon with some friends with some vodka cocktails. That's what they've requested. So this is what my minibar area looks like this afternoon. I just love the colours. I put some water there because I don't want to get overly sloshed, but we'll see what happens. And I think the blue bottles just look so, I don't know, pretty and colourful, and I love the way my little umbrellas are kind of fallen today. I returned my paint tins and stuff because I just need more space over here. Eddie, you want to say hello to your fans? Eddie's got his tie on while he's waiting for Leighton. Do you remember him, Eddie? You wanted to be his best friend. If you need a second set of hands or anything to hold anything up, yes, I'll get the tripod out for the camera. Oh, it's two pieces, I see.
Yeah, so that goes there, and that goes there.
Oh, I can kind of starting to imagine it now. It's exciting.
Do you like the black frame?
I do. I'm glad you suggested it. I never even thought about it because I've never seen one. I just figured they'd all come chrome looking. It looks good.
Looks good so far.
Yes, that's the door side, guys.
No, she's a bit of a little
Puzzle.
little sort of together job.
I was thinking of putting the curtains back up to keep the glass clean for a while, but I don't think I'm going to want to. It's going to look weird. I'm going to want to admire this new screen.
That's the bottom.
Sorry, security guard Eddie's in your way. What are you doing, Eddie? What's going on, Eddie? Can you come and have a look, fatty? So obviously that goes on last. That's why you're putting it there, or?
Yeah, I'll put the puzzle together, and then door's the last thing to go on.
This is the toilet side screen. Oh, look at that. I can imagine what it looks like. So that one comes with the glass intact already. Oh, that looks good.
Let's go with it.
Yeah.
I think it's a good height that we went to the door, missing all that.
Yeah,
If you
definitely.
went up to the top, you would have looked at this thing. All gone back.
True. First screw going in. Oh, you know you're making holes.
I'm just making holes, a couple of rivets to go in.
Oh, they're rivets. Are they aluminium so they don't rust?
Yep. They're all black ones too to match.
Oh,
Cheeky black ones.
cool.
So this will hold the frame together.
I didn't know they come in black. That's cool. Learn something every day. So cute how he just sits there. Most cats don't act like him. That's why I love him.
Yeah, he's good.
You're such a good boy, Eddie. Look at him. I'm the best cat in the world, Eddie. Look at you. You're not going anywhere. We were renting before we could move into this one because there was a tenant.
Yeah.
But we were renting on the other side of the block for some random reason. It was the only place that would allow me with a cat.
Oh, really?
And it didn't have an enclosed porch. And I got so drunk one night, I came home and I passed out with the door wide open, keys in the door, wallet, ID on the ground. And I woke up to Eddie just sitting out the front, didn't even go anywhere. Just sat there like a security guard.
That's cool, though.
I'm like, what the f***, I'm the best cat in the world.
Hold the fort, though.
Yeah. Looking after his mother.
It's nice to come home to animals, though.
Yeah. Makes life less lonely.
It does.
Adds more joy to your world. Eddie, you don't want to come and see what's going on today? I thought he'd be so excited to annoy you. Maybe it's the shower screens. He doesn't like big things. It kind of scares him.
Better than always, maybe. Rules.
Oh, so it sits inside the drop.
I measured it to go on the out, but
Oh.
provided that you're quite cool with it like that, eh?
Yeah, I was going to say, being on the inside makes the outer feel bigger. Can I stand in there and see how it feels?
Yeah. Isn't it?
So Eddie's by the gate, but are you going to film me? Okay, cool. I have a cameraman. That feels fine because when I shower with the shower curtains, all the heat sucks the curtain in, so it feels quite enclosed. But because this feels wider than the shower curtain, it's fine. It's my new shower, guys. Leighton's now the cameraman and I'm installing this shower screen. You don't go anywhere, do you, Eddie? You're the best cat in the world. This is our new doormat that was gifted to us. Eddie still loves it, but I noticed that he still loves that too, so I've had to keep that as well. Look, his bestie's out there and Eddie's still not going out there. You're a good boy, Eddie. You come and sit on Kelly's mat now? Scary. Into Jesse's toes.
I've only broke one. I had a pipe one too, so.
Oh, that's scary. That means the tyres are going to come out and everything.
Yeah, it's major. We're in Spain actually.
Ooh, don't cut yourself.
I'll let the glass do that.
Have you done that?
Done a couple.
Oh,
Goodies, eh? Just trying to work out the best way to make it look the best. I'll do like there, but
what's Leighton doing, Eddie?
stressing.
It's true. You want a cocktail? I got beers too. The door has gone on, guys. I missed the beginning of it. So Leighton's just put the door on. Yeah, and we're just going to test it out now. Do you want to test it? You want to film? Look at that, guys. It's cool. It just needs a stopper, eh? That you were saying at the top there.
You'll put a stopper in there so you can't go forward.
Yeah,
She's pretty close to being
looks good.
over the line.
Oh, same process as the door.
Yeah, pre-drilled.
And screw.
Send the screw through.
Do the screws come with it, or you just
they
have?
do. Nah,
they
they
have
do.
them.
Yeah.
Is there a rule of where to put that, or just anywhere along there?
Yeah, you just don't want to go too far that way, I guess. But you can
Yeah.
go there. I think that looks quite neat in there. It'll give me a chance to put the ceiling in there as well.
Oh yeah.
With the rubber. That does that. And then, this way. That's the top looking tidy.
Yeah, looks good. those holes in there, Leighton was saying that he's got to drill them so any water that does get in there can drain away. But in my first shower, I'm going to trip over that. I won't be used to it. You look like you're in a zoo. I should put Eddie in there for punishment. Just timeout corner. Eddie, look what's in the cage. No, Eddie, don't do a now. No, we don't want to smell it. Is that painter's tape or is that glass people tape?
No, nothing special, just masking tape.
It's fluoro. I've never bought fluoro tape before.
Yeah, we're just going to do a little bit of sealing.
Yeah, and then it's pretty much done.
Just give it a bit of a clean inside.
I have a little vacuum, I'll get it.
This one's clear.
Yeah.
I think go black on the wall with the white, it might be a bit loud.
No, clear's good then.
Yeah, I'm just going to...
Alright, get out of your way.
Keep it for mix. This one, if I should go black underneath.
Oh, that's how you do it. I was wondering why you didn't have a bucket of detergent.
The glass cleaner.
Oh wow, you make that look easy.
That's it.
I didn't know glass cleaner came in one of those pressurized cans.
Yeah, this one's only for commercial purchasing. Oh, you can get a few places, I think, but normally you have to, companies will buy them.
Like cleaning companies or
Yeah,
glass
well,
companies?
Just glass companies will buy them in boxes of 12, you know.
Oh, okay.
But it's a good stuff.
I think of Windex, you know.
Your Windex is good, eh?
You did that so quick, I think I missed it. That's it, guys. The job is finished. I missed Leighton doing a lot of the silicone work. Just forgot to film, sorry guys. But that's the finished product there now. I can't shower. Tonight, I reckon we might wait till tomorrow, make sure everything's dry and cured. But yeah, I'm happy. I'll just take a step back and see if I can get the whole shower in the shot. Looks good. Just got to get rid of those shower curtain rail things in the wall. It makes it look funny. Today is now the very next day. I am standing in the bathroom, if you can't tell. I just wanted to give an update on the shower this morning since I've had a shower in it now. It was actually great to have a shower in it. Maybe I should face the camera around. Before I do that, while we're standing here, this is the old shower curtain. I decided to put it on the door for now. It's a little bit long, it drapes across the floor, but it gives privacy. So last night when I had some drinks with my friends, we were able to use the bathroom in private. I'm a little bit hungover and I behaved last night, guys, so you'll be proud of me because I'm proud of me. Anyway, this is the shower. Even though it is a small shower, it actually feels bigger than the shower curtains because I never ended up putting any weights on the bottom of the shower curtains because when I found out this was going to arrive soon, I just didn't want to bother. But yeah, when I showered with the shower curtains, the heat would suck the shower curtains in. So it felt very small, very I can't get my words out. Claustrophobic. You know what I mean. But with the glass, I can see through it and it stays where it is. So it doesn't move in. And yeah, being able to see through it, actually, I feel less claustrophobic. What is wrong with my brain? I must be hungover. I love it. To be honest, a few things went wrong yesterday. I didn't film all the things that went wrong, or it would have just made for a very, very, very long video to edit. Leighton spent a lot of time problem solving, driving to and from here and there and trying to get things sorted and fixed because the shower screen guys had actually, not him, so the glass guys that made these, they made it wrong. The measurements Leighton gave them was meant to be from, the very outside of the shower, but they made it to the inside of the shower. They also didn't get the width of this side correct. And Leighton, was smart enough to be able to fix it though. And he just extended this bit here. So it did end up reaching the wall in the end. I had the option of complaining and waiting for new screens to arrive, with the right measurements, or I had the options of just going ahead with it and Leighton would figure it out and fit it for me. I thought, why not? You know, it's already here. It would just go to waste if I complained. I don't have to wait any longer if we just went with it. I trusted Leighton. I can see why Eddie likes him. Yeah, I don't know if anyone watched the last video when he was here, but Eddie loved him. But I got to know him yesterday. We're actually very similar in a lot of ways. So I can see why Eddie likes him. He's a cool bloke, guys. He also really loves tiny houses, which I think is really cool. Originally, this door was meant to open both ways, in and out. But when it arrived, they cut the door the wrong size as well. Like it wasn't meant to overlap here. Not sure if you can tell. Yeah, it wasn't meant to overlap here. It wasn't the style that we wanted, but it came like that. And they actually gave us, I don't know what you call these, hinges maybe. They gave us the hinges to match the door that wasn't meant to overlap. So Leighton had to drive all the way into the city or across the city to get the hinges changed to make that overlapping work. Then therefore the door could only open one way as well. So that was another change. And that's why the doorstop ended up being put up there. It was definitely one of those days where everything that could go wrong did go wrong. And it was just continuously one thing after another. A 2-hour job turned out to be an all-day job. I think in the end, we were having a knockoff drink at, I don't know, 4:30, 5 p.m. And that's the time I should have been starting my cocktails with my mates. So yeah, I really felt sorry for Leighton. He had to cancel the second job of the day and everything. But Eddie was happy that Leighton stuck around all day, weren't you, Eddie? Because you loved him. Something that I haven't shared previously is I ordered something online for these new shower screens because I hate cleaning, guys. I will try to minimalize, is that the word? Any cleaning I have to do. And I seen this thing online and I thought, you know what, I'm going to order it and try it out because if it helps, it's going to help a lot. And randomly, it arrived this morning by the postie. Glass treatment. Now, I think I meant to spray this on and it's meant to last 3 or more years. It helps keeps the glass clean or easy to clean, like things slide off of it easy. Dirt and soap grime and stuff, I presume. Anyway, I guess you can Google this yourself if you're interested in knowing more about it. I know nothing about it. I have nothing to tell you right now. I will create a video when I go to apply it though, because I also got one for tiles to make the tiles easy to clean as well. This one also is meant to last 3 or more years. I have a few days of work in a row now. I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to apply this, but I can't wait to apply it and test it out and then give you all an update on it because I've never heard of this before. I don't know how I came across it. It's like Google knows my problems and presents the solution to me in a random ad on social media. I think that's what happened. I do have a squidgy for the shower screen now, and I just don't know where it is right now, but I'm going to still be using that to wipe the glass down after every shower, even after I apply this. The good thing is I didn't notice the shower leaking this morning. I had nothing to clean on the floors. Like it felt amazing to not have to squidgy or mop the floor. It just, yeah, no words can explain that feeling after you've been having to do that for so long. One thing I have to get used to again is Eddie sitting there watching me have a shower though. He hasn't done that for a while because, you know, I haven't had a shower like this for a while, but he used to do it all the time. Just sit there and watch me. Watch me go to the toilet, watch me shower, and now he can watch me shower again, which is a little creepy, but I don't have a door in my bathroom right now, so Eddie can go wherever he wants and do whatever he wants. Something else I noticed only a few minutes ago is there are tools. I don't know if you can see from there, but that are left up on top. I think they're Leighton's tools. He was up on my ladder yesterday trying to change the hinge over on the shower screen door over here. So I'm going to have to contact him soon and let him know that his tools are here because he's probably going to need them. And with that, I think it's time to go. I might end the video here, start editing this, and I'll get Eddie to come and say goodbye. Or maybe we go over there. We go over there, Eddie? He's lazy. We got to go over there, I've been told. Eddie, you got fans? You want to say goodbye? Don't be rude. Eddie told me to speak for him. He said, "Oh slave, tell my fans I said goodbye." And that's all that Eddie has to say about that. Oh, and thank you for watching. Thank you for all your love and your support. Everything, guys, it means the world to us. And for the haters, we might think you're weird, but we still love you too. Peace out.